How to live stream on TikTok using your PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can go live streaming on your TikTok from your PC. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. First step, locate your TikTok live studio and open it up. Then after you do that, you will find an option after you log in. You'll find an option that says give live access. Then after you do that, you can then explore your live studio. Tap on this, and after you tap on it, you should be on your live. Now, after you're here, all you then have to do is enter out your uh, mobile. All you have to do is give it your microphone and your camera access. And after you do that, you can change some settings if you want. After you've changed your settings, you can then, if you want, you can change your port or scene layout. You can do portrait or landscape, or you can also do dual, but there is some requirement for it. So after you're here, all you now have to do is tap on the Go Live button to start going live. And since my account cannot use live, I cannot go live. But yeah, this is how you go live on your TikTok. All you have to do is log in into your TikTok on TikTok Live Studio, then start going live. And from here, you can use interactions such as playing games, live goals, poll and gift vote, and many other stuff. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.